Hey, it's Danny from Conscious Calisthenics here. So I wanted to share with you all why one meal a day is the ultimate weight loss hack that is even more far superior for weight loss benefits in comparison to daily intermittent fasting, which is widely known as the 16-8 method, where people normally fast for around 16 hours a day and eat for around an 8-hour window, which normally consists of 2 meals a day. And I personally have a lot of experience with both of them. So from my own experience and also the knowledge that I have to share with you, makes me very aware of why it is ultimately the best weight loss hack out there, especially when compared to daily intermittent fasting known as the 16-8 method, which I briefly mentioned a minute ago. So yeah, the reason why it is the ultimate weight loss hack is very, very simple. Whilst you're in that fasting state, and the longer that you actually fast, which with one meal a day, you're fasting for a lot longer throughout the whole day compared to eating 2 meals a day, it is shown through scientific research that the full benefits of fasting doesn't start to kick in until the 20 to 22 hour mark. So this is why one meal a day is so much superior for the weight loss benefits. So the longer you fast, the lower insulin goes down, which is a fat storage hormone. Insulin sensitivity is improved, so when you eat, you are having more regulation of your insulin, which is more optimal. So you're not going to store as much fat from the food that you're eating. Whilst you're in that fasting state, the longer you fast, the longer your body is burning its own body fat as fuel. And also, your testosterone levels are going to go a lot higher, and your human growth hormone levels, which are both key for increasing muscle mass whilst reducing body fat at the same time. So due to all of those many different reasons that I've mentioned, that is why it's going to give you the greatest weight loss benefits, because it's maximizing the benefits from fasting every single day. And I've had many different people try the intermittent fasting method and one meal a day, and everyone that I've known that switched to one meal a day has noticed that they started to lose weight a lot more rapidly and easily. And I found with myself, when I was doing the 16-8 method, I was around 70 kilos with around 8% body fat, and then within around 50 days of switching to one meal a day and eating around 3,000 to 4,000 calories most days, that I dropped around 2.5 kilos of body fat. So I was already at a super low body fat, but now it's put me at around a 7% body fat. So even for someone like myself that was already very, very lean, I've noticed some significant benefits for it helping me gain a more ripped physique. And I want to have the most ripped physique possible, and having the most lowest body fat percentage whilst increasing the muscle mass at the same time is absolutely key and essential for that. And yeah, I'm not recommending that everyone eats around 3,000 to 4,000 calories. That's how many I need to eat. A lot of people, when I state this in videos, say, I cannot eat that amount. It's not a competition. We are all different. I'm very busy in my lifestyle. I run many different businesses. I train very hard on a regular basis as well. So yeah, just eat until you are satiated. Do not force yourself to overeat. And for me, the majority of the time I don't overeat. And I know when I have overeaten because I feel really sluggish and tired afterwards. So yeah, that's a really good sign to me whether I've overeaten or not. And I don't do that the majority of the time. I just do it until I completely full and satiated. And it varies from day to day how much I'm eating. If I've done a hard training session the day before, I normally eat a lot more food the next day. But if I've been having a rest day or two, then I normally don't eat as much because my calorie expenditure is not as high. And if you're someone that doesn't know how to eat one meal a day in the most effective way that you can sustain it long term easily, I'll put a link for a video up above that you can go and check that out and learn about that fully to get it to work the best for you. And one last thing I mention is, if you want to see what I eat within a day and also do within a day, I put a link for a video here and also a link for a vegan one meal a day mukbang video with my friend Daniel at the end, in case you want to see us eat for the whole duration of our eating window and learn lots of valuable information that we share between ourselves and with you on camera. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'm going to cut it now because someone started burning something, so I've got smoke coming towards me. Not exactly what I'm breathing in. It's very carcinogenic, burning smoke. And yeah, if you like the video, like it down below. Don't forget to share and subscribe to get a lot more 1 meal a day informational videos, what I eat with my 1 meal a day diet on a plant-based vegan diet, calisthenics workout videos, calisthenics progression videos, and many other different videos to help you go in the direction of gaining and maintaining the body that you desire, the fitness levels and the energy levels you desire as well. There's some animal just coming along out of nowhere that freaked me out a bit. So yeah, if those type of videos sound good to you, make sure you click that subscribe button down below and you click the bell notification button next to the subscribe button. Otherwise YouTube will not notify you of when new videos are uploaded, and I have new ones coming every single day without fail. So as always, stay fit, stay energetic, and go and get those gains. Peace.